Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player, brake assist, cargo cover, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.